The students today are investing in the stock market game, which is a internet simulation where the students are given a hypothetical $100,000 to invest, and then they pick stocks and mutual funds to invest in, and then it's tracked over about a 6 to 8 week period.
We're looking for stocks that are doing well.
Our strategy is just diversify, really. Like, basically get little chunks of everything.
We start with some very basic ideas that the stock market represents ownership in companies that they all know and already use a lot of their products. And then it gets deeper and deeper to learn about earnings per share and momentum and revenue and balance sheets to hopefully by the end of the semester they have built up enough layers to where they are fairly proficient understanding some of the basics of the stock market.
Well, if you put all your money in one stock and that stock does bad, then you've lost. Whereas if you put it in different stocks, if one goes up, then some others will probably go up and down, so it balances out. With the help of Kurt Thomas of the Phoenix Suns, he's been kind enough to really help out in terms of providing some scholarship money for the students. Part of the game is not just investing in the game, but there's also an essay component, and the winners of the essay contest are able to win scholarships that Kurt has funded. Merrill Lynch has been really supportive in terms of providing for internships.
At the end, there's two winners that we select to become interns at Merrill Lynch, and then to be able to work with them all summer long, helping them to develop their own personal interest in the stock market even further, and watching them develop. And that's what this is really all about, is reaching out to children and helping them, give them a path that they may not have seen before. And basically, it's the whole idea behind it is to provide an engaging and fun and creative way for the youth of today to become in the future investors and to be able to equip them with a financial literacy. It's going to drop.
I think financial education is incredibly important because most of us are going to go out into the world with having to deal with things like insurance and investments and saving for retirement, saving for college, trying to figure out how to save up enough money to buy a home or buy a car.
So far, we're doing pretty good. We are third in the region and the second highest central, but we're like trailing by like a few $100s, so hopefully we'll be able to beat them and win.
Can you guys hear me? What we're here for is the Kurt Thomas Investment Challenge. You have to have the knowledge, you have to have experience to know what to invest in. And if I was in you guys' situation in high school to learn what you guys are learning right now, I mean, I probably wouldn't even have to play in the NBA. But, you know, I was fortunate enough that I made it to the NBA and I'm able to impact kids like yourself.
Kurt Thomas doing it.
The purpose is to celebrate the kids, show the support of the hard work that they did throughout the school year, and just to put them out in the center of the stage and just let them know that we appreciate them. That was the main thing for the night, and also to give them a scholarship and to give them awards.
I received an award for money for my education. I'm not sure about the amount yet, but I think it will help a lot. You know, any kind of money will help my education in the future, because 4 years, I always need money, so it will really beneficial.
We finished 4th in the entire game, I'd say the region, and which was kind of funny because after that interview, our stocks kept on fluctuating from like very high to very low to very high and very low. It would like at one point it was at number 4, then it went down to like 66, then it went back up to 25, then went back down to like 99, and then we finished at 4, which was a great surprise.
I used to wear diamond earrings, bracelet, chain, charms. I gave all that up. I'd say just discipline, being disciplined, finding out what's important and what's not important, and being able to go without. When I first came into the league, when I signed my first contract, it was for a little over $3 million. In my first year, I lived as if I only made $70,000. And then my second year, I lived as if I only made $80,000. And in my third year, I only lived if I made $90,000. I just continued that small growth in spending, you know, and now I'm going into my 13th season. So, I mean, I don't even I spend less than $300,000 a year.
It gives me more knowledge, more wisdom, really, when it comes to like handling my money, really. And so I'm hoping in the future that wisdom will come to fruition pretty much and just like work for me.